Team 9. They're all set, so please put your hands together. Welcome. Ella maklu chappale hodiri bartare maklu.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Ankita. As a vice captain, I am going to introduce about Bala Janagraha. We are Bala Janagrahis who have done this project on development of roads and redesigning. Let us take you to a journey of our project through PowerPoint presentation. Now my friend will give further information.
Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Mamta. I am introducing about me and my city. The concept of Me and My City is, this was the book that taught us the importance of becoming an active citizen. Thank you. Now my friend will take over.
Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Kiran. I am telling about Namma Rastagalu. Namma Rastagalu. This is the name of project under Bala Janagraha. Thank you. Now my friend will take over.
Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Harika. I am introducing about my city. I am introducing my team members. My team members are Captain Azmat, Vice Captain Ankita. Then remaining members are Mamta, Kiran, Dancing, and Lavanya. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Dancing, studying in 8th standard. Today I am explaining regarding the explanation of the road. The road which we selected for the survey is KHP Junction Main Road. We analyzed that the road has many pits. Even the footpath is in not good condition due to construction of the buildings. We can find many items on the footpath. It carries heavy traffic on that road. More buses travel like K3, K2, 180, 181B, 96. Now regarding this, there is a video clipping.
As a captain, I am telling the problems and proposed solutions of the road. There is no zebra crossing in that road, so we can have a zebra crossing. And there are open drainages in the road. Because of this open drainages, every year a child falls in the drainage and there is death. And there is heavy traffic jams in that road. It is a busy road every time. The traffic starts from morning 6 a.m. And continues up to night 11 a.m. There is a very busy traffic, so the pedestrians who want to cross the road, they have to mug up in the traffic. So we can have a pedestrian overbridge at the road. The road is broken, so we can have a road at regular maintenance. Now I am going to explain the maps of this road. The road which is broken is KHP Junction Main Road. This road measures 100 feet, that is 30.48 meters. This road leads towards KHP Junction, and this road leads towards West of Court Road, and this leads towards Basveshwar Nagar 4th stage. And this road goes to Shankamat. There are many shopping malls like Universal Cell, Pavitra Palace, Swadeshi Shopping Mall, and there is a McDonald's food center there. We also have medicals and everything in that road. Even the footpath is broken there. So we have got a future map. The future map is, we can have a cycle lane which is 5 meters. I have written it, 5 meters. And we can have repaired footpaths, and we can have little bit larger footpaths. There will, at 6 p.m., there will be footpath sellers selling in that footpath. So we should not have footpath sellers to sell on the roads. Because of even these footpath sellers also, we get we can't, if we are in hurry to catch some bus also, we can't go because this area is very crowded area. And we all students, we have our homes in this locality only, nearby to the road. And here also we have got zebra crossings. There was no zebra crossing in that road. Even we can have this cycle lane, and here dustbins are provided at the road. And we can have a overbridge here, which will be placed near this KHB Junction main road. Now my friend Ankita will take over.
We heartfully thank our team members, our beloved HM Clara ma'am, and our sweetest teacher Hanupama Purohit, who shared our greatest glorious experience with us. We really thank our parents who gave us support and cooperated with us. We really enjoyed and loved working under this project. We thanks even Anshuman sir who supported us. Thank you.
Cracked up, cracked up, cracked up, the road was cracked up there. Cracked up, crackled, the road will be crackled. Cracked up, the road was cracked up there. Cracked up, crackled, the road will be crackled. If this is for us crafty, why we worry for achievement? If this question for Janagraha, then best our project is. Aye, cracked up, the road was cracked up there. Cracked up, crackled, the road will be crackled. Cracked up, the road was cracked up there. Cracked up, crackled, the road will be crackled.
Thank you.
Jai Hind. The slogan of our team is avoid damages of the roads. Keep it.
Hello. Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Hello. Excellent project. Did you
Thank
meet any of the government authorities in your project?
What, sir?
Did you meet anybody like corporate?
Yeah, we had the corporate of our area was very busy, so we had phoned him just up. He said he can't meet us because he is in some meetings every day or the other. He was so busy. So we phoned him, and he has promised to take measures to the road. And one more important and happy news is that the road which we selected, and it has now been all right, sir. They have repaired that road.
They have repaired the road. Very good. Who created the PowerPoint presentations? All of you together or just one of you?
Yeah, sir. We all of us together created this.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Thanks.
I liked some parts of your presentation very much. I think that we didn't see enough of some of the stuff that you're saying you've done. For example, if your road has been done up, it would have been nice to have seen a photograph, to show, since you've done the PowerPoint, it would have been nice to have seen that. It would have also been nice to have seen how you met the corporator, how you met some of the, government officials. You showed a survey, but I didn't see any, and I like that survey a lot, but I didn't see what were the solutions that the communities themselves, when you collect all the surveys, what is it that they finally ended up proposing? So it would have been nice to have seen that as well. So just quick comments, but overall very nice presentation. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. A important thing, we all took interviews of big people. A sir named S.V. Shetty helped us in this project. He called up to the cooperator. He gave us information, and he taught us we are the future citizens of India. So he gave some information regarding this project, and he said even this Janagraha is a very good concept for you people to learn it. Even we took measurements of the road. We interviewed every people there on the road, and we took their measurements, but we could not show it because we have just taken photographs, not videos. But in that handwritten report, we have all that surveys. We have all that surveys. Around 10 to 20 people have interviewed us. And the main thing is this road has a lengthy divider. But you can see in other maps, the road which I said leads to Shankamat or West of Court Road or Basaveshwanagar first stage does not have any lengthy divider. The thing of this road is, it is a very busy road. It connects from Pavitra Palace to Chicken Kebab Center. And it leads towards Magadi highways and housing board colony. This is a very busy road, and it has to be repaired. The road has been dug up because of sanitary problems from past 2 years. And from past 2 years, it has not been repaired. Now, recently, in the month of December, they have repaired this road.